Hey everyone, today we're talking ears. Yep, specifically how to clean them safely without jamming cotton swabs into your ear canal. I tested the 6-piece stainless steel earwax removal kit, and here's what you need to know. You get 6 tools made from stainless steel, hypoallergenic, rust resistant, and built to last. There's a cleaning brush and a compact case that actually keeps everything organized. Each tool has a different job. I tried this after a shower. Pro tip, wax is softer then. The scoop worked fast, the spring tool felt weird but good, and it actually pulled out more wax than I expected. Honestly, it was oddly satisfying. If you're helping someone else, like your child or an elderly parent, this is a safer, more controlled option. Just be gentle and go slow. The tools come in different sizes, so you're not forcing anything that doesn't fit. This kit makes ear care feel kind of luxurious, and it beats wasting money on disposable swabs. I'm keeping mine in my travel bag too. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried an earwax kit, would you? I've added the link in the description below if you want to get it. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.